Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to restore deleted files from recycle bin on Windows 10. For example, let's say that I will delete this one. I will click on right click and delete, and now it's deleted, right? How can I restore it to the desktop normally from recycle bin? And I have recycle bin in here. If I open it, there is the file that I have deleted in here. How to recover it? This is what we're gonna do. Just open it and then you can drag it. Just take it and drag it on desktop like this, and now it's restored. Or you can, if you delete it in here, you just click on right click and then restore, and it's gonna show up again in here. It's gonna be normally restored to your Windows. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. See you next time.